Hello from Slovenia again. I have some paints left from my previous pour that I did. I like it and I like the colors, and I don't know, see this wedge, I think, for, I don't know, but I thought, what if I pour some paint here and try to pour? I don't know how this will flow, but we will see. We will try. If you don't try, you don't know. I will just do like that. So we'll start with some of this neutral gray, just to have some paint to flow. And this is black, and this is metallic blue, and this is white, and this is new, this little piggy pigments abalone that I love. Some black again, and iridescent blue green, white pepper, green blue, some white. Okay, I will add a little of this warm gray here in the middle. And some this lighter gray that I mixed for my previous pour, but didn't use it as I did use it, but didn't turn out as I hoped. But use it here, hopefully. Okay, and let's see what will happen with this. I don't see anything. tilt it out a little bit, and then I will decide. I see already this abalone that shifts from gold to beautiful green. So gorgeous. Okay, I will leave it like it is. Interesting one. Let me take it down for a close-up of the wet results. So here she is. I will try to catch this gold shimmer. This is where I'm the most impressed with, that gold lines in the just amazing in person. And from the other angle it's green, you see. This is abalone. These little piggy pigments. New release. I really like those lines. I wasn't kind of happy with the pattern that tool created, but it was an interesting experiment, and I love to experiment. And this will dry amazing. I already know that. So stay tuned for the dry results. So this is a close-up of the dry result. It didn't work the first time as I thought, but I like it, and I love this color shift of abalone. The new piggies released on 13th, and it goes from gold to green on black. This is just on black, how it reacts on black. Where is gold? Green, here it is. And iridescent blue-green from PBO. here is gold. And I kind of like the composition. So check out Fluid Art Co. for the new release of those beautiful pigments. And thanks for watching my crazy ideas sometimes, but I just love to experiment and play with paint and have fun. So thanks for watching, have a nice weekend and see you again on Monday. Bye!